Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an email account in the Windows Mail app. This is a quick and easy way to access your email directly on your PC without needing to open a web browser every time. Here's how to do it. But before doing it, I'm requesting you to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so first open the Windows Mail app. Normally you can find it by searching for mail in the start menu. So I'm gonna search it here, mail. Click on that. If you have already set up an account and want to add another one, click on the settings gear icon at the bottom left, then select manage accounts and choose add account. So now I'm clicking on add account. And here you will see a list of popular email services like Outlook.com, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, etc. I'm gonna choose the Google because I have created my Microsoft account with the Google email. So I'm choosing Google. Now you have to provide your email and password of that platform. So I'm gonna enter my email and password here. And after that, I'm pressing on continue. Now choose select all. Press continue again. Here you can add your name. So I am giving a name here like Mr. TECHFOX and clicking on sign in button. And finally, click on Done button. For some custom email providers, you may need to manually enter your incoming and outgoing server settings provided by your email provider. After signing in, Windows Mail will automatically sync your inbox and your account will be ready to use. And that's it, you are now set up to send and receive emails directly through email. And that's it. You are now set up to send and receive emails directly through Windows Mail. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.